Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I do have an unboxing video for you of the InnoGear aroma diffuser with pure essential oils. This is online. I got it on Amazon.com for about $30, and it does come with 6 different oils. So I just want to take you through the unboxing. So as you open it up, you do see the warranty card and also the user manual. Of course, the power plug, and then here is the actual infuser. Okay, and then we have the pure essential oils, therapeutic grade at that. Very nice. So it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but okay, give me one second. Alright. And here we go. Some nice oils. We have lemongrass, tea tree, and some other oils. Peppermint, lavender, eucalyptus, and sweet orange. So let me go on ahead and hook it up and show you what we got. Okay, so I have it all plugged up, fairly self-explanatory. It does plug, the plug does go underneath and has a little thing you can tuck the cord under. And now I filled up the water. It does come with this measuring cup, and you need to fill it up no further than 150 milliliters. So then you just twist this off, fill it up, add your few drops of essential oil. I chose lavender, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, the cap's on. It's in the lock position. Hit the mist button here. Let it go for a moment, and then you immediately get a mist, and it smells amazing already. The light, you can just put it to which one you want. There's all types of colors, they change. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to see it when it's dark. But so far so good. You have lots of options to choose from. So for $30, I would say this is a really good deal. And yeah, so this is the unboxing of the aroma diffuser with the essential oils. All right, let me know if you have one and how you like it. Leave your comments down below, and I will do more unboxing in the future if this is something you guys like. Thanks for watching. Bye.